Hi. Welcome back to my channel.
We've been wanting to do this challenge for a while. We was waiting on the girls, but taking too long.
And every time they come over, they ask to do it, but it's not really a challenge. It's just a taste test.
Okay.
But it's not a formal video. Like, I didn't do my hair or anything.
These are called the wrap snacks.
So,
the wrap snacks, we have Fetty Wap.
And we have Lil Boozy?
Yeah.
Lil Boozy?
Bootsy.
Bootsy?
And then we have... Who that? Oh, Fabulous has his own.
And then we have...
Migos.
The Migos.
Alright.
We got this at our, like, ghetto gas station. You know, the ones that are, like, sell weed, not weed, but, like...
They sell weed
bowls
products.
and,
bowls,
like...
yeah.
You know.
Okay, so which one do you want to try first?
I guess we'll try this one.
Okay.
So this one is Louisiana Heat.
La Bootsy.
Lil Boozy.
Yeah, I heard,
There's no tea in it.
It's a La Bootsy.
Boozy. There's no tea in it.
Still La Bootsy.
Okay. So.
But they also have a new training one, I think.
Trina.
Now these are called La Bootsy Louisiana Heat. Wavy potato chip.
Tastes like barbecue.
Heat though.
Mm-mm. I don't taste any heat. Do you?
Mm-mm.
It straight up tastes like barbecue, but it's not very flavorful.
It's a little teeny, little hint of heat.
But it's not that flavorful. You think so?
It's good for people who don't like heat, but want some heat. All right.
Water.
The Migos. You heard?
This is sour cream with a dab of bacon. Get it? With a dab of bacon. D-A-B. Sorry.
Will I like it? I got two, so we got to see.
Tastes like sour cream and onion chips.
I like that.
Right? Nothing special. They could have made them different, like different flavors. It's like a chip you've had your whole life.
I'm gonna take that one to work tomorrow. The Migos. Fabulous.
You try that one first.
Deli cheddar. Fabulous. I see him at concert once. He was pretty cool. Why you don't want to try it first?
Because I tried all of them first.
You're gonna like that one more.
I can't tell.
One more bite.
Kind of has a weird taste, but they're kind of good.
Told you, you're gonna like that one more.
Well, kind of weird, but I kind of like it.
Definitely a Fabulosa. Let's say Fabulous.
I like them.
New York Deli Cheddar.
They're kind of like, what's that, cheddar cheese, cheddar, whatever chip, but kind of sweet.
I got one more. Actually, that ain't even a wrap chip.
Look how gangsta she is. Isn't her hair so pretty? It's so long. She's just so cute. We're getting married in 8 days.
Mwah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
this
yeah.
is... Mwah. This is jalapeno, honey jalapeno, Fetty Wap. These
I
are the
don't like
ones I heard
jalapeno.
about first. You don't? But I got another one in there.
You don't know that I don't like jalapeno?
We about to find out.
I don't like jalapeno, and I don't
you might
like
as well
banana
try it.
peppers or peppers at all. Dang, that's a big old chip.
Not bad, babe. You might like that one. Honey jalapeno. No. The heat.
Look at his eye.
The heat. Stop playing. One more.
I think he's cute. I'm not making fun of him.
One more.
But we don't have any more.
Yeah, we do.
I would really, really like these if they weren't jalapeno. Like, I like the honey taste.
And you guys know how I go to the...
Kind of good, but I don't like jalapeno.
Okay, this is not any of the wrap chips, but I go to the Mexican store and get tacos every week. And this one was called Ruffles Queso for $3.29. So, let me cleanse my palate. Which one you like the best?
If you guys missed taste test videos or whatever videos of us together, thumbs up this video, leave a comment, and if you want to do like a Q&A about the wedding or marriage, leave your comment.
I never seen these chips until I went in the actual Mexican store. We have one here called La Plaza. I go get dollar tacos on Tuesday, $4.99 burritos on Wednesday, and dollar tacos on Friday.
Go.
So these are called Queso Ruffles, and I've never seen
that's
them.
my favorite kind of chip, though.
Huh? You just see if you like it.
When they're... Until she don't love me, she would have gave me that one.
She gonna love them. Told you. It's expensive.
Girl, that's good.
So which one do you like the best?
This.
What about out of the wrap chips?
I wish these were jalapeno because I like the honey flavor.
I like this one. And I like this one.
And then I think those.
Okay.
Thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more taste tests, challenges, videos with her, Q&As, leave a comment below. It's Easter.
Get ready to get married.
Happy
We're going to
Easter.
Vegas. Maybe we'll go somewhere we've never been before and bring back
Recommendations, leave them
Yeah.
below. Happy Easter.
If anybody recommend anything in Vegas that we should go and have and bring back home
Look how
to
short she
taste.
is.
It's alright, hon. Your torso is longer than mine. If anybody recommend anything that we should have in Vegas, I'm going to get married to my beautiful queen. Mwah. So please recommend something in Vegas really quick because we ain't got but about 3 more days.
Okay, love you guys. Bye.